Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to add someone on WhatsApp application. For that, watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you are not subscribed yet. Go ahead and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. WhatsApp Messenger or just WhatsApp is a freeware cross-platform centralized instant messaging and voice over IP service owned by Meta platform that is available worldwide. Without any further delay, let's dive in. Let's start by going on our call log of our Android device, which is in the bottom left corner of my Android device. Once the call log is open, what we can do is to tap on the first option, which is create new contact. After tapping there, we can write the person first name, and after writing first name, you can also add last name, the company, the phone number, email address, and many more. Here I'm simply going to write the person first name and the mobile number. So let's write the name, and after I'm going to write the number. Once we write the number, all we have to do is to tap on save. After saving the number, we can go back on our home page and tap on WhatsApp application. Once the application is opened, we need to tap on the blue chat bubble, which is in the bottom right corner. After tapping there, we will be able to select or see all the contact and the contact of a person who are using WhatsApp application. You can choose any one of them, or you can choose the person whom you are trying to reach out and contact with that person. This is how we can easily add anyone on our WhatsApp application in a quick, easy way. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have any question or a feedback for us. I will be soon back with the more tutorial videos like this. Till that, goodbye and thank you so much guys for joining.